Hey, what's up YouTube family? I'm gonna make a little short video. I want to change the front grille on the BMW and see what that look like. I want to take off the silver. I want to take off the silver grille and put the all black grille on here. And I'm gonna show y'all what else I bought. I think it's in the garage too. I want to also put some cover plates on the calipers or get the calipers done over, painted red. So this is what I'm talking about. I want to take this off and put some black on here. Also want to take this off, give it a clean look in the front. So let me put this right here. A little short video, shouldn't be that difficult. This should be pretty easy to do. I'll show y'all what the grill look like in a minute. So let me know y'all thoughts. This is the all black grill right here. So right here, and delete that. Give it a good look. So what I'm gonna do is it's supposed to be nice and easy, where it kind of clips on from, see that part right there? So you just gotta, it's all around where it just clips on. So hopefully you can do that pretty easy. I'm gonna do one and put this on so we can see what each side look like, and tell me what y'all think. This is a little off. It's not really snapping. They're supposed to. that look. This don't really feel secure. Look, that come off too easy. Push down, push up, get it out. Push down, push up. That better? I do. I think I do. I want to take this off. Only thing about it, once I take this off, I'm going to have some little, probably a mark on there. Hold on.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
This is what I was talking about. These are like some covers I had got online that's supposed to snap in place. I don't know. I have to read up on it and try to figure out how these go. Or I think I'm gonna just get them. I think I'm gonna just get them painted, man. My regular calipers. Right, just get them painted. Off and see what it look like. Damn. How does it look better? Dang. I just need to get some red paint or something. Only thing I don't like is, oh man, I need to put it back on. I don't really like these marks on there like that. I do like the look of it off. What y'all think? Tell me what y'all think. Let me close the hood. Give it the full effect. What's y'all thoughts? And I was thinking about getting these smoked a little bit. Get both of them smoked a little. And I think it give that front a different look. Alright, so that's it for now. I might pull the wheel off and put one of these on just to see what it look like. Just wanted to show y'all that real quick. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell somebody about the channel. Stay tuned. We're going to be doing some other things to the car, but just wanted to show you that real quick. Let me know what your thoughts are. Should I put the other stuff back on, or do you like the black better? Peace.